Hi guys, this is Hans Story here, making a quick video on showing you how to build a manual silo. This is just one of my test domains in Marketing Online Trends. First things first, I've taken away the stuff that's normally in like the meta side here, like the admin, the meta, the archives. I've just removed these widgets. So the first thing you want to do is install these plugins. Let me just go here now to the dashboard. Plugins, install plugins. The first one is display widgets. The second one, exclude pages from navigation. And the third one is the widget context. I've already installed these just so I can save a bit of time. And I've also got the resources of these on the home page of the site that you're more than welcome to visit whenever you wish. I don't know how long I'll keep that site up, but probably for like a month or two anyway. Right, okay, so first things first, after you've got these three widgets installed, we need to start making some pages. I've just done a first page just to try and save a little bit of time. So let's say our theme or a topic is about home insurance services in Northamptonshire, whatever. This is my first page. I'm just going to click on edit. Excuse me. So this is like the main sort of setup for your page for each of the top silos. I've got home insurance services here in the title. Home insurance services. You want to put a diversified keyword phrase in H1. Example, how to find the best home insurance services in your area. And that means that you're using this keyword, home insurance services, and you've also got best home insurance services, and you've also got find the best insurance services. Okay, so obviously you'll add your content to the page, a link to an authority site. This could be a site that's related to home insurance, or like a Wikipedia link. And that's me. I've just inserted this image. You don't have to insert an image, but you can put an image in. I think it would help. I've got a little caption here. I've got a title on this as well. Home insurance services in Northampton. That's image title. You place your content down here. Content to your web page goes here, and then also you would have a link to a related inner page of the same silo with diversified anchor text. So when you link these silos, actually you don't link the silos, you link each individual silo. And we don't link out from silo 1 to silo 2 or from silo 2 to silo 3. Just link inside each silo. So you see, for instance, we have silo 1, and then we have sub silo 1 and sub silo 2, sub silo 3. You would just keep the linking inside each of the main silos. Right, okay, let's make some more pages. I'm going to click on add new. So let me go back quickly. I just want to show you for the page, for the template, I've just kept it here at default. So when you come over here to the parent, this is a parent page. So you just want to keep this as no parent just now. Alright, so that's a parent page. And you want to include the page in list of pages, so make sure this little box is checked here. The page is already updated, so I'm going to make a new page now. So this is going to be the title of our second silo, which could be self-employed insurance. Employed, yeah. Can't spell this morning. It's self-employed insurance. So you've got your H1 diversified diversified anchor text, well, text appear. Put this in H1. Then you have your content. Then you have a related video. So this is a new silo, self-employed insurance. We want to include this page in the list of pages. There's no parent. Click publish. We want to add another page. And let's say we're going to call this cheap car insurance. H1. H1 text appear. H1 content again. Related video. YouTube video. We want to make sure to have this check, include this page in the list of pages. Click publish. Always a bit slow, I don't know why. Typical. Well, that took a while. Right, okay. If we go to our pages now, all pages, I just want to show you what I've done so far. I've got cheap car insurance, home insurance services, and self-employed insurance. This is just like the home page that I've kept up here for reference. It gives you the resources that I'm using in this video. Okay, right, next stage, we want to add some of the sub-pages now to each individual silo. So we go back up to pages, add new. So our first silo was home insurance services. So let's say mortgage, PRO, protection, INSURANCE. Just the usual stuff on the page again. Okay, mortgage protection insurance, and then I'm going to come over here, and then I don't want to include this in the list of pages, so you uncheck that. For the parent, you come over here, get the drop down box and click on home insurance services, because that's part of that silo. Okay, so make sure you do this and make sure you uncheck that include this page in list of pages. Click publish. Going to add another page. So as you can see, the URL now, it's got the website name, home insurance services, mortgage protection insurance. When I add new, let's say we've got a keyword term, cheap home contents, insurance, can't spell, usual stuff. And so again, you'll come over to the right hand side to the page attributes. You'll click on the parent page, and the parent is the home insurance services. You want to uncheck include the page and list of pages, then you want to click publish. We can do one more leg for the silo. Add new. And we want to call this one of our keyword phrases, home and buildings. Home and buildings insurance, stuff here. H1, remember, and then your content, etc. Okay, you want to come over here, and parent again is under the home insurance services silo. So home insurance services, make sure you check this one, and uncheck include this page in list of pages. Click publish. Now we want to go and create a new page for our second silo. Oh, sorry, for our third, let me just check which pages I've got so far. Pages, home insurance, cheap car insurance, yeah, cheap car insurance and self-employed insurance. Right, oh, okay, so I'm going to add new. I'm going to, let's see, we'll call this one private health insurance. Usual stuff. Private health insurance. We've got a parent page which is under, excuse me, the self-employed insurance. Yeah. Excuse me, self-employed insurance. You want to make sure this is unticked. Click publish. Want to add another page into the silo, and want to see, let's personal accident insurance stuff here. I think you're starting to get the picture. A personal accident insurance, page attributes on the right hand side, click down. So this is going to be related to the self-employed insurance. Uncheck that include this page in the list of pages. Click publish. I'm going to add a new page. I'm just going to call this cheapest health insurance. The usual stuff down here, cheapest health insurance, come over here to the page attributes. This will go under the self-employed insurance silo. Uncheck include this page in list of pages, click publish. I'm going to add some more pages to our third silo, which was the cheap car insurance one. So we want to add new. So our main silo for this is called cheap car insurance. So obviously when you do your keyword research, you will find some long tail terms which are quite valuable that you use as a sub silo. So let's say cheap under 21 car insurance. Usual stuff. So for the parent page here, in page attributes, you would come down and you would, cheap car insurance was our main silo, so this would go under there. Make sure you uncheck include this page on list of pages, click publish. And add another page now to the cheap car insurance silo, and we can call this cheapest over 60 car insurance. Okay, usual stuff. Down here, we'll go over to the page attributes again. Parent is the cheap car insurance. Uncheck, include this page in list of pages, click publish. Add another quick another subsilo to this one. Best over 50 car insurance, for example. Stuff here again as usual. You can find this on the home page. Come over here to page attributes, click down, and this is related to the car insurance, so it's under the cheap car insurance. Uncheck, include this page in list of pages, click publish. Just going to go over to pages quickly just to see what we've built so far. So we've got this silo here, cheap car insurance, with 3 sub-silos. We've got home insurance services with 3 sub-silos. We've got self-employed insurances with 1, 2, 3. We've got the home page. Right, that's fine. Okay, our next stage now, we want to go over and create some menus. So appearance, menus. You want to go up here and create a new menu. You can call this, I'd recommend naming the menu your top silo for each leg. So we've got home insurance services, create menu. We want to add some pages to this menu now, so we want to go at home insurance services, so we want to add home insurance services, home and buildings insurance, cheap home contents insurance, and mortgage protection insurance. We want to add this to menu. Then we want to click on save menu. Up here again, create a new menu, and this is going to be the second silo, so self-employed, insurance, create menu. We want to add some pages to this menu now, so under the self-employed insurance, we want to add the main silo, self-employed insurance, cheapest health insurance, personal accident insurance, and private health insurance. Click add to menu. Click save menu. Then we want to create one more, our last one. Cheap car insurance. Click create menu. I'm going to add some pages to this now, so this is the cheap car insurance. We want to click the main silo one, best over 50 car insurance, cheapest over 60 car insurance, cheap under 21 car insurance, add to menu, save menu. Okay, that's us created all the menus, so now we want to go over to widgets, and we want to do our custom widgets, custom menu widget. So we go over here, drag this into the main sidebar, then you get all these lovely options down here, and you can put a title in here if you want. I'm just going to fill this in just so it says, just so it keeps me on the right track. Let's see, home insurance, just a reference. You can leave this blank if you want, but I'm just doing this here for reference. Okay, so you've got a drop down menu here that asks you to select the menu. So we want to select the home insurance services. Okay, where it says here show hide widget, you want to click the drop down, show unchecked. Then you want to scroll down and find the pages that you want this to appear on. So this is going to be on home insurance services. There's 3 sub-silos, remember, so home and buildings insurance, mortgage protection insurance, and there was one more that I'd done in that silo, self-employed insurance, home insurance service, home and buildings insurance, cheap home contents insurance. There we go, cheap home contents insurance. Okay, so that's 4 pages, the main silo and the 3 sub silos, and that's all we do. We click save, then we close this. Then we want to add another one, so we come over here to the available widgets, drag over the custom menu. You can put that under this one. So we can put a title here just to keep ourselves right. Self-employed insurance. So I'm just going to type in self-employed just so it keeps me right when we're doing this. Select menu, so you want to select the self-employed insurance. You want to drop down and click show unchecked. You want to scroll down, find your pages. So we've got a self-employed, So we want the self-employed insurance. We want the private health insurance, personal accident insurance, and I think that was it. Was it? Was it 3? Personal insurance, and this one here, yeah, cheapest health insurance. Okay, so we've checked these. We've made sure it says show unchecked here from the drop down. Okay, and we put a title in here, and you'll see this in a minute, but you don't have to put a title. It's entirely up to you. Click on save. And I'm just going to close this just now. We want to add one more because we've got 3 silos, so we've got the custom menu again. Drag this over to the main sidebar, and our other topic was it cheap car insurance, self-employed, home insurance. Yeah, so this one's going to be cheap car insurance. I'm just going to put insurance and then title just so you'll be able to see this when the site's published. A cheap car insurance title. Okay, so this is the cheap car insurance silo. So that's correct. Okay, so you have a choice, you can pick, but this is the associated page. Cheap car insurance. Scroll down here, click on show unchecked. Then we want to add the pages. So this is the main silo, cheap car insurance, cheap under 21 car insurance, cheapest over 60 car insurance. Is that it? I think. Cheapest car insurance, then self-employed, personal, home, cheapest over 60, cheapest home cheap car insurance. There we go. Best over 50 car insurance. So main silo and 3 sub silos are in this. Cheap car insurance, and then we want to click on save. Then close. Now if we visit our website, we've got this. Right, ideally on the home page now, when we have cheap car insurance, home insurance services and self-employed insurance, there's nothing shown here, but that's for a reason. We don't want our site visitors to start scrolling down here and looking and easily getting distracted So it's far better just to keep it up here inside the main navigation bar. So we'll come to your main page, we'll read the main content. And if they want to find cheap car insurance, home insurance services or self-employed insurance, they'll come in here and say for instance they'll click cheap car insurance. So this was the cheap car insurance title. Excuse me. This is the main silo, and the sub silo is best over car 50 insurance. So every time that a visitor will click on any of these silos and the sub silos, it's going to be kept inside that specific silo. Alright, so they'll go to home insurance services, and that's all they're going to see is the home insurance services. This is just like a sample page that I've done here. Home insurance services, a diversified keyword phrase, a link to an authority site, blah blah. Okay, and the self-employed insurance silo is here. This is the self-employed insurance page. You put your content here, and it keeps it nice and tight. So, and all your silos are actually on the main silo page. They're not spread all over the place. Okay, so I think that's me done. Yeah, that's me done. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I need to get off to work now. If you have any comments or anything else you would like some help with, just give me a buzz either on LinkedIn or on Facebook, and I'll speak to you soon. Okay guys, thanks very much.